and welcome back to another video. This is another one of our vegan-ish, vegetarian-ish reviews. We are going to be reviewing the BOCA chicken, spicy chicken patty. I did put cheese on it and mayonnaise, so that was kind of pointless. Not bad. Not bad, eh? We'll see as we eat some more what I think. At the end of the review, I'll go get the box and we'll talk about the nutrient breakdown. I don't think this is bad at all. Pretty good. I think if you're used to like the kind of fake chicken from fast food, this is pretty much that. That's pretty good. This is my favorite tea, this Pure Leaf. Right. No, Gold Peak. I could go back between both of them. Pure Leaf is good. I like Gold Peak more. You gotta have tomatoes, lettuce, and some sort of fake mayonnaise. That's what I think really makes it taste like a chicken sandwich. It's like 2 o'clock. I'm eating a full thing. It's very good. I like the look of it. The look of the texture is like chicken too. Sometimes I feel like with tofu patties, when there's soy or tofu in a chicken-like product, it can create this kind of spongy texture. He ate a few bites of it, so that's good. I think adding avocado to it would be really good. I don't know when I should post these videos. I should post them on Wednesdays or maybe on the weekend, and I can just film them during the week. Let me know what you guys would like for me to do. When the food is good, I enjoy doing them. Nice spiciness to it. I hear my dog rustling around in the leaves, but I can't see them. Last 2 bites. Carter, get out of the leaves, buddy. Bubby. I'm full from that for sure. Okay. I'm gonna finish what's in my mouth and then I'll go grab the box. Give me 1 second. Alright, so BOCA veggie protein, spicy chicken veggie patties, made with non-GMO soy, 12 grams of protein, 150 calories. Let's do the full breakdown. Is that it? No, here we go. Okay, so one patty is 150 calories, 50 calories from fat, total fat 6 grams, saturated fat 0.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, polyunsaturated fats 1 gram, monosaturated fats 4 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 430 milligrams, which is 18% of your daily value, potassium 260 milligrams, which is 7% of your daily value, total carbohydrates 12 grams, daily fiber 3 grams, or dietary fiber 3 grams, sugar less than 1 gram, protein 12 grams, that is 20% of your daily value. There is vitamin A, no vitamin A, 0%, vitamin C 0%, calcium 4%, iron 10%. What is in them? The patties are made with water, soy protein isolate, yeast extract, contains less than 2% of wheat gluten, methyl cellulose, salt, spices, herbs, natural flavor, non-meat, onion powder, succinic acid. The batter is made with water, wheat flour, onion powder, vinegar powder, dried garlic, salt, spices, washed raw sugar, paprika, malt dextrose, gum acacia, corn, natural flavors, malted barley, rye, extracts of paprika, citric acid. Oh, that's the batter. Then the breading is wheat flour, washed raw sugar, salt, dried yeast, caramel color, extractives of paprika, browned and expeller pressed oleic, safflower oil. They're good. I would say 9 out of 10. Would recommend. I'm not going to give it a 10 out of 10 because it wasn't like blew my mind and I was like, holy shit, this tastes just like chicken. But 9 out of 10 is like the best you can get besides a 10 out of 10. Come on. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like to see more. I make new videos Monday through Friday. You can follow me on Instagram, positive smash, and you can follow me on Snapchat, positive smash. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.